Hi, I'm Steil from Gardening with Steil on Iowa PBS. It's plant shopping time, and many of us over the next several weeks are going to be visiting local nurseries, garden centers, and greenhouses looking to buy plants. Of course, matching the species or cultivar to the right location, looking at things like sun and soil, water, winter hardiness, all of those growth requirements is important. But today I want to focus on how to select high quality plants. The overall habit of the plant should be well balanced, nothing too big or too small for the container. Trees should have well-spaced branches and no double leaders. You're looking for sturdy, robust, compact plants. Tall, spindly, lanky plants, especially with annuals and vegetables, do not transplant well. Leaves should not be discolored and mottled, and it should not be missing or dropping leaves. A few brown edges like this aren't necessarily a problem, but much more damage can be. Woody plants should be free from scrapes and broken branches on the trunks and stems. One of the hardest things to evaluate is the root system, but it's one of the most important. Don't be shy to slip the plant out of the pot to inspect the root system. It should be firm and white, not brown and mushy, and there shouldn't be an excessive number of roots circling the pot. This can lead to big trouble down the road, especially for trees and shrubs. There should not be an excessive number of roots coming out of the bottom of the pot. This is an indication that the plant may have been in the container too long. Conversely, avoid buying plants that have been recently bumped up in pot size. You can tell the soil will easily fall apart when slid out of the container. Buying these plants is just paying more for some extra soil. Finally, check for insect and disease issues. Look under the leaves and near the crown of the plant. If you find any indication of insect problems like this mealybug here, do not buy. Remember, while the flowers are pretty, they're not a requirement. Don't be swayed by pretty flowers. Focus instead on form, habit, leaves, stems, roots, and plants that are free from insect and disease. Thanks for joining me with this gardening tip on Gardening with Steil.